Triumph Motorcycles unveils new Speed Twin 1200 TFC. Speed Twin 1200 TFC is clearly distinguishable from the standard model. The obsidian gold paintwork combines a black metallic base with gold flecks, complemented by numerous carbon fiber components on the fenders, side covers, and heel guards. Gold fork tubes, a gold-colored drive chain, and numerous black accessories complete the look. Each motorcycle receives an individual serial number on the milled upper triple clamp and a signed certificate of authenticity. Triumph also includes an indoor cover and a waterproof seat cover. Compared to the Speed Twin 1200 RS, the TFC boasts significantly sportier ergonomics. Clip-on handlebars, rearward set foot pegs, and a milled triple clamp are designed to connect the rider more closely with the motorcycle and enable a more active riding position. The seat is made from a combination of black leather and suede, with a ribbed texture, visually complementing the sporty look. Modern LED lights at the front and rear, as well as integrated bullet taillights, complete the design. A fully adjustable Öhlins suspension system is fitted at both the front and rear, allowing for individual adjustment of preload, compression, and rebound damping. The braking system consists of Brembo-style calipers, a radial Brembo master cylinder, and an adjustable MCS brake lever up front, and a two-piston Nissan caliper at the rear. Lightweight cast aluminum wheels, paired with the standard Metzeler Racetech RR-K3 tires, are designed to ensure precise handling. Akrapovic silencers made of titanium and carbon fiber provide the sound, further emphasizing the characteristic twin-cylinder exhaust note. At 214 kilograms wet, the TFC is a couple of kilos lighter than the stock Speed Twin 1200 or RS, and 3 kg less than the Cafe Racer edition. The engine is the familiar 1200 cubic centimeters Bonneville twin-cylinder from Triumph. According to the manufacturer, it combines powerful performance with the typical Bonneville character. The performance figures of 105 horsepower at 7,700 RPM and 112 Newton-meters at 4,200 RPM certainly suggest ample power. Standard equipment includes Triumph Shift Assist, cornering ABS, cornering traction control. It has 3 riding modes: Sport, Road, and Rain. Finally, the bike's technology is brought to the rider via an LCD display that's complemented by a color TFT screen. Deliveries of the special edition, limited to 750 units worldwide, are scheduled to begin in October 2026. Triumph also specifies a service interval of 16,000 kilometers and offers a 4-year warranty with unlimited mileage. According to the manufacturer, this warranty also covers genuine Triumph accessories purchased with the motorcycle. Thanks for watching. Please like and leave comments. Good luck.